Hi, my name is Mark Stanton. I've worked in the automotive industry for 32 years now, last 9 years of which I've worked at Jaguar Land Rover. My role here is I'm the Vehicle Engineering Director responsible for all of the Jaguar Land Rover products. I'm also the Executive Champion of Virtual Engineering at Jaguar Land Rover. Some of the big challenges that we have at Jaguar Land Rover is to deliver our products on time, on cost, with quality, and hitting all of the vehicle attributes that we need to deliver in order to achieve the customer satisfaction that we want. We've been working with EXA now for over 17 years, really accelerating in the last 9 or 10 years and forming the strategic partnership that we have today. When I started my career 32 years ago, I actually started working in virtual engineering, and at that time, the area I started working in was vehicle dynamics. But virtual engineering has been used since then, really to advance our capabilities across all of the attributes. Virtual engineering and simulation is a really important factor for us here at Jaguar Land Rover. In order to improve the quality and delivery of our projects and programs and get them out to market on time, we're trying to left shift our engineering, and virtual engineering is absolutely a key part of that left shift. It enables us to far earlier on validate that we've met all of the requirements for the program, ensure that we have the quality baked in right up front, avoiding late changes which are costly, but also more importantly, avoid changes which can actually result in poor quality out in the marketplace for our customers. In order to support left shifting our engineering, we have a number of initiatives to really improve our virtual engineering capabilities. We've set ourselves an objective of achieving 100% of our requirements robustly validated by our FDJ gateway. In order to do that, we really have to accelerate our virtual capabilities, driving new tools, new techniques, really driving the capability of our engineers and the tools that they use. So we're looking to get to 100% of our requirements validated by the year 2020. So the benefit to the business, if we can achieve what we're looking to deliver, is we'll get the product on time, on quality, and on cost. This will obviously help us at JLR, but more importantly, it should help the customers by delivering a better product with better quality and really get it to the market far quicker than we do today. So EXA is one of our key suppliers, strategic suppliers, that we've been working closely with over the last 17 years. We're using their capability and their skills to help further our capabilities and to support the left shift that we're trying to achieve. So we use EXA for all of our current production vehicles to work on developing the aerodynamic properties of those vehicles. An example is the F-Pace here. We've used EXA to achieve a perfect lift balance on this vehicle. We have 70 counts of lift on the front and rear, which really contributes to the sporty driving experience of the vehicle. We've also used it to help improve the aerodynamic drag on the vehicle. We have apertures in the front bumper which we use to turn the airflow around the front corner of the vehicle to really improve the aerodynamic efficiency of the vehicle. All of this was done in the virtual world before we ever had any physical properties, and we only really validated that with a physical property right at the end of the process, as we have all of the confidence in those virtual tools. Obviously, the vision that I think we're all working to in the industry is to get to the point where we have 0 prototypes and we go straight from virtual into the final physical production vehicle. If we can get there, that will be fantastic, and it will really help improve the robustness and reliability of what we do, save money, save time, and give, I hope, the customer a better product at the end of the day. So the use of EXA software now is really key in what we do at Jaguar Land Rover. We used over 36 million hours of CPU time last year on EXA, and that's equivalent of about 7,000 physical wind tunnel tests, so that's pretty immense for us. For me, one of the things that we can achieve and do with the EXA software is we can visualize the flow around the vehicle. So it means that if you're not an expert on aerodynamics, which I'm not, you can interact and understand what's going on. You can physically see how the air is moving in and around the vehicle. And it really helps, certainly from my perspective, as a part of the management team, to direct the team, understand what we need to do to fix the problems on the vehicle and maximize the capability and performance of the vehicle. We look forward to continuing to work with EXA as a strategic partner, and we look forward to what they can do for us in support of our strategic initiative for 2020.